Now imagine this, you've just moved into your home, you've got all these bare windows, you want some privacy, but you don't want to be rushed into making a decision about window treatments. Well, consider this, a pleated paper window shade that can simply be stuck up there and can be made to fit just about any size window. Let me show you how it works. First of all, just take the tape measure and measure the width of the window. 24 1/4. And then while the shade is folded up like this, take a straight edge and a sharp knife. Now you want to make several slices here, going through one layer of paper at a time until you've worked your way all the way through. What you do now is peel off this protective backing on the top right here and stick this in place. There. Now we can just let the shade unfold. If you want to, you can trim off the bottom with a pair of scissors, or if you want to hold the shade in a different position, just push it back up again. Take a couple of these clips that come with the shade, put one here, and one over here. Not only is this great as a temporary solution for your home windows, but it's also perfect for that college dorm window.